Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to increase your FPS in your gaming. First, you want to go to your control panel. So I'm just going to go to search, control panel. Then you're going to type in advanced. You're going to go to view advanced settings. You're going to go to settings under performance options. So click settings and performance. And then you click adjust for best performance, and then once you do that you click apply and then OK. I'm already selected for it, so it's there, and this will make your computer run so much more efficiently. Like, I will show you that. Hold on a second. Okay, my computer is running 8% of the CPU with my recording software running, so that would be about 4%. So that's pretty good for gaming. Pretty good. Like, if I was to run Call of Duty or something, it'd be running pretty fast because it would usually run before that at like 12%. So you'll get it down to like maybe 4 to 5% CPU usage idle, which is very good for gaming and should increase your FPS. Okay guys, thanks for watching.